It'll go. Do you want me to pull you?
I see it going.
Come on, Bex.
More. Going. Pull it a little bit.
Okay, let me see the rope. Okay, you ready?
Okay. Let go. Whee! Let's go all the way up there, then slide all the way down here. I'm gonna go inside. No, thank you. I'm gonna go inside and fly all the way down to the house. I'll pull you down. I'll give you a ride. Ready? No! What do you want? My glove! My glove! My glove! I won't let it go, Joan. Promise. I won't let it go. Hurry and hop on. Okay, ready, set, get up, hold on. I think we need to turn this thing. Don't do that, Joan. My glove! My glove!
It's okay.
Glove. Look at them. They like us. Look at that. Mom, look at my hand. I'll run.